Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to remove borders in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Now you can see here we opened a document and already added the border to these sheets. Now you want to remove the border, select your range. Now I am select my range to remove this border. Then click this border drop down menu and choose the no border option. Then click outside and we can see we remove the border easily. Now I apply another cell. Again select my range, then click the border drop down menu and choose no border. We can see we remove border easily. Now I am select the whole cell and remove the border. Click no border option. Now you can see we remove borders in Google Sheets very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.